What's happening, YouTube's boy Tech TRX back in our video. Today we are looking at the ECOLOR Moon Smart Table Lamp, kind of like a moon lamp right here. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified on our next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, this is a ECOLOR. If you want a table lamp, pretty easy to use. It's also app possible. You can put music mode and also customize your own scenes if you want to. Let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. So the packaging is real easy. Just a little paper covering there. There you go. You get some user manual right there. You also get this little lamp like so. Quite interesting size and shape there. There you go. Then here it comes with a little power adapter as well. There you go. And that's it for the box. Yeah, this is nothing I've seen before. There you go. Nice table lamp if you have a little night light at home, and if you want a little lamp for the bedroom, you can also use that there. Table lamp is a micro USB slot right there. It has a dimmer switch button right there, and also the mic holder. There you go, for easy access. On the top also it has a power button right there, which you can turn on and off the lamp. Pretty nice lamp right there. And as you can see, this is a battery powered as well. You don't need to plug it in or anything like that. It's also the dimmer right there. As you could see the functions. Very nice. Different brightness right there. It's also the mic collar. There you go. Quite nice colors right there. Quite dreamy, right? Change it to whatever you want right there by just clicking that. As mentioned earlier, this is also app powered, so we're gonna go ahead and install the app right here by scanning the QR code on the user manual, and then we're just gonna hit the install right here. Once the install is done, let's go ahead and open the app, and then we're gonna register for a new account as well so that we can add a new device. Once you've registered and signed in, let's go ahead and add a new device right here. As you can see, it's already up top there, the lamp that it's detected. Well, we have to turn on the device for this one so that the app will be able to detect the lamp. With the app, you can change whatever color you want on this. They have different scenes as well, so you don't have to make up your own, but you can also customize it if you want. But it's just nice to have that there's sceneries that you can, if there's a mood that you want to use it for, you can just click one and it'll go to that scene. Maybe you are feeling creative and you want to create your own, you can do that as well by clicking this. Change the saturation, and yeah, there's a lot of options here so that you can customize it to whatever you want. Here, pretty interesting stuff here. You can also have segment colors where you can break it up to phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5, which is really nice. We're going to test out a few colors here and show you what this can do. So here with the music, you can also change that. It'll listen to whatever music. You can have it automatic right here. You can have bubble, so you can see there, kind of like a neon lamp. There's also the melody right there, so it'll just listen to whatever it's hearing, whether it's voice, music, or whatever you want. You can also use the sensitivity here to adjust. You can also use a quick right there if you're having a rave party, or you can have a slow as well right there. You can also automate it so that it'll turn on or off a certain time of the day. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new table lamp, a smart one just like this one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.